Hello guys, in this video I'll be showing you how you can get a free 1k profit account for you to start trading for free in 2025 and for you to withdraw your profit. This bonus requires no deposit and no KYC for you to be able to claim your bonus. Alright, so all you have to do is for you to watch this video to the end and I will show you how you can get it. The link to claim this bonus will be available for you in the description of this video and will also be pinned in the comment section. But before we proceed, if this is your first time of coming across my video, I want you to take a moment and subscribe, like, comment, share. Make sure that you share this video and don't forget to turn on your notification button so that when I drop a video about a profit account that you can get for free and about a no deposit bonus or how to make money online in 2025, you'll be the first person to get it. Here on our screen, as you can see, this is our Telegram channel. In here, we drop money making update consistently every day. If you know that you are interested in making money every day, all you have to do is to go to the description of this video or the comment section. Click on the link that you see there and it will take you to our Telegram channel where you can subscribe and where you can be getting your free money making update so that you can start making your money daily. Now, as I have said earlier, the link to claim this 1k profit account will be available for you in the description of this video and will also be pinned in the comment section. All you have to do is to go there and click on it. So once you click on it, it's going to take you to my Telegram channel, and from my Telegram channel you are going to be redirected back to the platform that you are going to be using to claim this bonus. And as you can see, this is the platform right here on our screen, and this is the free 1k profit account right here on our screen. We can get it right now, as you can see over here. So the next thing for you to do when you get here is for you to scroll down, and as you can see over here, there are different kind of profit accounts that we can be able to get here, and there are paid ones and the one that you are not going to pay for. Now I'm going to show you the one that you are not going to pay for before you can be able to get them and before you can be able to start trading for free. So now click on one step, and as you can see over here, this is a 1k profit account, this is a 2k profit account. So go to the second step. The one we are looking for is the one that you can claim without you having to deposit, and as you can see over here in this second step, this is the one that we can claim for free, a 1k profit account. So the next thing for you to do is for you to click on it, and their profit target is a profit target of $100. So once you get $100, you can be able to withdraw your profit, and the max daily loss is $50 and the max total loss is $100. These are the little information you have to know about it, which can also be called their terms and conditions. And the minimum trading days is 4 days. Alright, so the next thing for you to do is for you to claim this bonus. So make sure you watch closely as I show you how you are going to claim this bonus. So to claim this bonus now, another method that you can use is for you to scroll down and click on challenge now, since this is a free 1,000 funded account. So click on challenge and click on sign up. So now the next thing for you to do once you get to this place is for you to sign up. You can select your country, your WhatsApp code or your email. So once you're done, you will receive a code. Enter the code, enter your password, enter your email, and as you can see, the referral space is optional. So just agree with your terms and click on register. Let me just do mine and I'll get back to you shortly. So when you are done signing up, it's going to bring you back to this place. The next thing for you to do is for you to click on challenge now. So click on challenge now and it's going to take you back to this place. And as you can see over here, the 1000 USD is free while others are for paid. Alright, so right now the next thing for you to do is for you to get this 1000 free profit account, and I will show you right now. So down here, the amount that we are going to pay and the payment that we are going to make is going to be a payment of $0, as you can see over here. So before we can be able to make this payment, just click on agree and click on confirm, and that's it. This is it. I'm sorry guys, I told you the other time that there is no KYC required, but I have come to know that KYC is very important. So click on go to KYC. So enter your first name, your last name, your gender. You know what you're supposed to do, alright? You know what you're supposed to do. So you can select your ID type, whether you want to use your NIN, your driver license, your ID number, and once you're done, enter your front image, your back image, and once you're done, click on save. After a few hours, your account would have been verified. So now that your account has been verified, the next thing for you to do is for you to go and get your login details that you are going to be using to log in on your MT5 Trader app for you to start trading. Alright, so make sure that you are patient and you are watching this video closely, because unlike the rest of the program, your login details will not be sent to your email. It is right here on this platform, and I will be showing you how you can get it so that you can log in your Profem account on your MT5 Trader app for you to start trading. The next thing for you to do in order for you to log in your Profem account on your MT5 is for you to click on navigate. And as you can see over here, your account has been verified. So let's go back. So once you get back to this place, just click on account and it will bring you to somewhere like this. It will bring you to somewhere like this. And as you can see, this is our balance, $1,000. This is our profit target, like I explained the other time. So now to get your details, just click on details. Click on details. You can see a lot of things over here. You can see a lot of things. Now to get your login details that you're going to use to log in on your Meta5 Trader app, click on credentials. And as you can see, this is our password, our login details for MT5. Now I'm going to show you how you can log in your Profem account on your MT5 Trader app for you to start trading and for you to get your money. Alright, so the first thing for you to do is for you to copy your login. So click on copy, and as you can see, it has been copied successfully. And also don't forget the name of the server, put it on your head. So now let's go to our MT5 Trader app to go and log in. So once you get to your MT5 Trader app, click on the app and it's going to bring you to somewhere like this. So once you get to this place, what we are going to look for is the name of the server I told you to watch closely the other time. So let me take you back to the place in case you've missed out of it. So the name of the server is Websyn server. So go back there and search for Websyn server. Don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel so that you'll be getting more updates every single time. So the login details that you copied the other time, paste it here. Go back and copy your password. So now that I've copied my password, I will paste it in here. I'll paste it here, and as you can see, the next thing for you to do is to click on login. As you can see, this is our $1,000 Profem account right here on our screen, and I have been trading with mine. So you can just come here to analyze your chart. You can come here to analyze your chart, and you can come here to see your balance. This is it over here. This is our balance over here. All right. So now that you are done, for more details and more about their terms and conditions, or you want to know more about how to withdraw your profit, my channel is available for you. In there, you will have access to me directly because I will be dropping my DM details so that you have access to me directly. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to our channel. If you're interested in making money every day, all you have to do is to subscribe to our Telegram channel. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.